Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. First off, I'd like to thank everybody. We're closing in on 2,000 subscribers, and for our technical analysis-based crypto channel, that's pretty good in our mind. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Also, like and comment. We had 100,000 views on our videos, and if you haven't watched some of our other crypto technical videos in the links below, please check them out if you haven't watched them, because they may help you even become a better crypto trader. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So we've been talking the last couple days about the head and shoulders, triggered, paused at the first GAN levels. These were from those projection GAN levels. If you need to know more about that, go back and watch our last video. Reaction to that level. Finally breaking down, doing a GAN projection from this low, also from this prior high that was the defining point on the trend line, which is also a fail-safe, because if this triggered and then closed back above it, the pattern would be over. If you want to know about what we mean by defining point, please check out our trend line videos. So, giving us a really nice cluster. So we had a retracement, this key 62.5%, where we didn't want to see it close below. Well, that's done now. We got to close below it. But we had a 3-layer cluster, little reaction there. Now going, this is pretty weak. If it didn't even react much there, we can do a quick. We have a minor pause. This isn't a major pause, but I will project some levels down until we get. If this bar hits these levels, though, it's invalid. Just keep that in mind. And this is also done because it's hit the targets. Now on a rally back up, we're going to be watching for first level around 860, 863 with a declining 8. And then on a stronger rally back up, we'd be watching for this prior little shelf area about 887 with coming in with a declining 21. So 887 to 890 next area on a rally back up. And then further down, minor level 797. So I'd pretty much target 800 because everybody loves those round numbers. And 779 to 782 is a really nice cluster area in there. However, let's check in on the daily chart, because we always need to use our multi-time frame analysis to help it out. So you can see we never got the first cross rotation zone. We did get above the rotation zone, couldn't hold it, then collapsing back down through. We had the head and shoulders, went to that target. Finding some minor support coming in also here. See this area was prior resistance and became support right around this 809. Even dipping below that. So really focus on that 797 to 800 level and watch for reversal patterns down there. And then, as we pointed out, that 782 is also a prior breakout level. See, it was resistance here, key support. So that's the next major level down to watch for a potential reversal pattern. Now keep in mind, we are against the rotation zone again on both the 4-hour or daily. So it's time to go into cautious mode and not be aggressive. Looking over at Ripple. What's going on with Ripple? So, I don't know how that one got moved. Breaking down, triggering the head and shoulders pattern we talked about in this one. Coming down, popping up above our GAN levels. Also this 0.9946 area. Holding, letting the 8 catch up. 8 pushing the price. 8 finally catches up. Then we break down. Haven't yet hit the full target on this head and shoulders, which is about 92.50. We'll just call it 92.50, close enough. And that's what we'll be watching for on this. We could also do a quick projection down like we did in Ethereum. This is not official yet, but we can see where the next major levels are, potentially around 91 and then 88.50. Now on a rally back up, we're going to be watching for resistance coming in about 99.60 area. And then on a stronger rally into the rotation zone, coming up to about 103. But now the rotation zone is against us. All the moving averages have turned over, and we've broken key support, and we triggered the head and shoulders. All that means that it's pretty weak right now. So we stand back, we go into cautious mode. But before we do that, let's check in on the daily chart. Keep everything in perspective. So, daily chart. We never got the first cross rotation zone, so the rotation zone is also against us on the daily chart. We popped up above it, even above the 50, then collapsed below and couldn't hold it. There's some good, decent amount of weakness coming in on this move now. Really watch this 50% retracement at 90. That's the key, 50% retracement from this up move. That's where many times some buyers will step in looking to pick something up. That's where they did right here. It spiked up here, pulled back there, buyers stepping in. So keep watching for them, and we'll fine tune these gang levels and see if there gets to be a cluster there. Then the next major level we'll be watching for is this 81.84, which is a level we don't really want to close below on a daily basis, because that would then possibly project even lower prices, and we have to be very, very patient. You also see right around the 81.84 level, buyers stepped in, and then it became collapsing down, then became some minor resistance until it blew back through that level. So people will be targeting that level. It's another one to watch for a potential reversal pattern. And again, the rotation zone on the daily and the 4-hour is against us, so we are back in very, very cautious mode, waiting for very strong reversal patterns before entering into any trades. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Ripple, and those head and shoulders patterns. Looks like they worked. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.